Hello everybody and welcome back to SciArt Shop channel. Right, we're back making our luxury Fairweather rock. Here is one I have stuck together for you guys. Yeah, so there you go. Look at that luxury box. Yeah, so I've let that all stick overnight. So it's nice and solid. And what we're going to do now is we are going to use some paper, some PVA glue, a luxury brush, some water, and a container. Oh, what's that say? Do you know what that says? Pauline's pens! Oh no! If you know what that means, you're a clever person. Anyway, back to the job in hand. And what I'm going to do is put my water in my container, just like that, and some PVA. It's, I'd say 50-50, so I'm just going to put that in there like that. And I think this is a bit like making paper mache. Okay, and I'm going to use my brush, and I'm just going to mix that round. You want to get all the water and the glue. Can you see that? All the water and glue? No, you can't. Oh, what a shame. Trust me, it looks lovely. It looks like runny milk. So you get all your glue and water mixed together. Keep doing that. I might put a little bit more. I think it's better to have more than not. And all I'm going to do is rip off some strips of paper and put it in here, let it soak for a sec, and put it on. So I think some people leave it in there for a while, but I'm not doing that, because I'm doing a video for you guys, and you know, it's just the way I roll, and I just want to get it done, because I like to finish project, that's right, not product. Anyway, let's do that. It looks good. I think this is going to work. If you don't put enough glue in, which I think I've put a bit more just in case, it won't stick very well. And this is just like paper mache. So, I'm using gloves for this, guys, because it can get a little bit messy and I don't want to get messed up. Just the way I roll again. And I've got to try and pick up this paper with gloves on. Not an easy thing to do, but I'm sure you can do a better job than me. Okay. Ooh, look at that, it's gone already. So get your paper and just make some strips. Doesn't have to be too spot on. And then I'm going to, dip this paper in my luxury glue liquid. Probably won't put it all in, some of it. And then push that down, just get it all soaked in. And then what I'm going to do is pick it up. Funny that. See, it's gone all gloopy. And I'm going to stick it on my rock like this. Okay, so there's my first part. Can you see that? So I'll do a few more of those. Again, I don't expect you to watch me do this all the way through. But if you could just bear with me while I show you now. Get that up. And I'm just gonna get it into all the nooks and crannies. If you know what the nooks and crannies are, I've run out already, so I just need to put some more in there. A little bit more, and get that a little mix up. Oh, this is quite messy. I quite like this. It's just so much fun. Okay, then wring that out a little bit, and then just pop that on. I think you used to do this as a child, didn't you? With a balloon. Get a balloon and then wrap it with this concoction. If you know what a concoction is. If you don't, look it up. If you know what I mean, what I'm saying, you do, that's great. And then used to let that dry, and then used to pop it. And then used to make it into some sort of face, I believe. Or whatever you could think of to make it into. I think, if I remember rightly, that's what I did as a child. you know, because that's just the way I roll. Or did then, and I still do actually, because I'm still playing with it. But there you go, guys, that's the way it is. Whoa. God, I can't believe how quick this is going on. A lot quicker than I thought, so I'm pleased with that. So there we go. Right, we're nearly there. Okay, I'm not going to do any more because I'm going to cut this video again, this little clipette, and let me finish it off. Otherwise you'll be bored and you don't need to see me do all this. And yes, and then we get on to the next stage, which would be probably painting it white, giving it a little base coat. You know what I mean, what I'm saying? You do, that's great. And then we let that dry, and then we go on to all the shading and bits and pieces that you do to make it look like a rock. I might even put some sand on it, stick some sand first, but I'm not too sure yet because I'm making this up as I go along. Because you know how I roll, guys, don't you? I just make it up as I go along and then hope for the best. And if it doesn't work, I just think of a solution because I'm good like that. I think of solutions. Okay, so there you go. I'm pushing that down. Just get it into all the nooks and crannies, like I said. Okay, there. So that's that bit. See what I'm saying? So I'm just going to do that all the way around and on the bottom. And actually, I might not do it on the bottom. Oh no, I will do it on the bottom because the bottom of the rock is a rock. So it needs to look like a rock. So yeah, I'll do it all over. So I'm going to go now. So I just need to get this off so I can stop this video. Hopefully this time the video will actually stop. If it doesn't, you can have another laugh, okay? You know what I mean? You do. That's great. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next clip. Thanks for watching. And guess what, guys? It doesn't click off again. I checked this before I started, and it was working, but it's not. But hey ho, there's something wrong there. I don't know why. Anyway, you don't want to watch me press this all day, do you? So I'm just going to stop it by hand. I'm going to go back to the old-fashioned way. So see you soon, guys. Thanks for watching.